Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, a fraction of a collection or multiple of a fraction. Till now, what we have studied, fraction of single object means what? Half of a roti or quarter of a roti, like that, or half of a rectangle, or 1 upon 5 part of rectangle, 1 upon 7 part of rectangle, 3 upon 8 part of a circle. So till now we have studied fraction of one object. Now what we have to study? A fraction of a collection of objects. For example, there are 8 apples, and if I say that what will be half of 8 apples, so it will be 4 apples. So in that way we have to find the fraction of a collection. Now see one example. Half of a collection of 20 dots. There is a collection of 20 dots. So orally also you can tell this, half of 20 is 10. 20 का आधा होता है 10. Now let's see this thing diagrammatically. Here 20 dots are drawn and 20 dots are divided into 2 equal parts because denominator is 2, and out of 2 we want one part. So ये एक पार्ट है, ये दूसरा पार्ट है, दोनों में से हमें एक पार्ट चाहिए, दो में से एक. तो उस एक पार्ट में कितने डॉट्स है लेकिन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So half of 20 is 10. But every time we will not solve by drawing the diagram. So by observing this, what you observe, 20 divided by 2 we have done here. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now second example, 1 upon 4 of a collection of 20 dots. Again 20 dots are there, but we want 1 upon 4 part of 20 dots. Means 20 dots we have to divide in 4 groups. So 5, 5, 5, 5. And out of these 4 groups we want one part. Means how many dots? 1 2 3 4 5 dots. So 1 upon 4 part of 20 is nothing but 5. But ये कैसे आया होगा? 20 divided by 4. Answer is 5. So in this way we can find the fraction of collection. Now another example, 3 upon 4 of a collection of 20 dots. So again 20 dots are there and we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So 1 2 3 4, 4 equal parts, and out of the 4 equal parts we are talking about 3 parts. So 1 2 and 3 means how many dots? These 5 plus 5 plus 5, how much? 15. So if we observe the diagram, then we get this answer as 15. But every time we cannot draw the diagram. So one thing we know, that whatever is the collection, that we have to divide by the denominator. See here, 20 divided by 4, 20 divided by 2. Here also 20 divided by 4 is 5, and whatever is the numerator, multiply this with the numerator. So we will get 15. So 3 upon 4 of 20, अगर ऐसा हमें फाइंड करना है, so for this we have to divide 20 with 4. We get 5, and this division we have to multiply with 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. Like this we have to solve. Understood? Now this is the fraction of a collection. Understood how to solve fraction of a collection? कलेक्शन को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करना है और वो आंसर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. और यू कैन डू रिवर्स ऑल्सो. First multiply numerator and collection, then divide it with denominator. So let's see like this also. 20 into 3, how much? It is 60. Then after this 60 divided by 4, again we will get 15 only, because 15 4s are 60. So पहले ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो और फिर डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करो, या फिर उल्टा पहले इसको डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करो और फिर न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So whenever we have to find fraction of collection, then this is the method. Understood? Now second topic is multiple of a fraction. Multiple means what? Multiply it with that number. For example, twice 5 is 10. Twice means what? 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. तो इसका उल्टा क्या होगा? Half of 10 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. इसको दूसरे फॉर्म में हम बोल सकते हैं half of 10 is 5. Understood? Half of 10 is 5. And of means times. Meaning of both these words is same. जैसे यहाँ पे ऑफ है, तो ऑफ की जगह टाइम्स भी रह सकता है, एंड टाइम्स मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो हाफ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 means 1 into 10 is 10 divided by 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Means जैसा हमने यहाँ किया, 3 into 20 is 60 divided by 4 is 15. Same thing we have to do when you get the word times. Another example, thrice of 5 is 15. Thrice of 5 means what? 3 into 5. अब इसका उल्टा 1/3 times of 15 means 1/3 into 15. Times means what? Multiplication, and of means also multiplication. Now 15 ones are 15 upon 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Understood? Same way, 2/3 times 15. Times means multiplication. 2/3 into 15. Now 2 into 15 how much? 30 divided by 3 means answer is 10. So 2/3 times of 15 is 10. So times हो या ऑफ हो, you have to use this multiplication operation. Understood? And multiplication में कैसे करना है? ऊपर के दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर 3 से डिवाइड करो, या फिर इन दोनों को पहले डिवाइड करो फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. Both of them is same. Okay, now let's solve problem set 23. What is 1/3 of each of the collection given below? Means here 4 collections are given. For all these collections you have to find 1/3. Means 1/3 into 15, 1/3 into 21, 1/3 into 9, and 1/3 into 18. So let's begin this. First question is 15 pencils. So we have to find 1/3 of 15 pencil. So just now what we have studied, fraction of collection means multiplication. 1/3 into 15. Now 15 ones are 15 upon 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5, because 3 5s are 15. So 1/3 of 15 pencils is 5 pencils. Okay. Now the next example, 21 balloons. We have to find what is 1/3 of 21 balloons. So 1/3 into 21. 21 ones are 21 upon 3. and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Upon means division. So 7 balloons, 7 balloons. So 1 upon 3 of 21 balloons is 7 balloons. Now the third one, 9 children. So 1 upon 3 of 9 children means 1 upon 3 into 9. 9 ones are 9 upon 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 के टेबल में 9 कहाँ आता है? 3 जा. So 3 children. Now the last example, 18 books. So 1 upon 3 of 18 books means 1 upon 3 into 18, which means 18 upon 3. So 3 के टेबल में 18 कहाँ आता है? 6 सा. So 6 books. 1 upon 3 of 18 books is 6 books. Understood? Now the second question. What is 1 upon 5 of each of the following? यहाँ पे हमने हर कलेक्शन का 1 upon 3 निकाला. यहाँ पे हर कलेक्शन का हमें 1 upon 5 निकालना है. So let's find out what is 1 upon 5 of each of the following. So 1 upon 5 of 20 rupees. First example is 20 rupees. So 1 upon 5 of 20 rupees is 1 upon 5 into 20. 20 ones are 20 divided by 5. How much? 4 rupees. 5 fours are 20. Now 1 upon 5 of 30 kilometer. So 1 upon 5 into 30. 30 ones are 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. So 6 kilometer is the answer. 1 upon 5 of 15 liters means 1 upon 5 into 15. 15 ones are 15 upon 5, which is 3 liters. 5 threes are 15. And last one is 1 upon 5 of 25 centimeter means 1 upon 5 into 25. 25 ones are 25 upon 5. It is 5 centimeter because 5 5s are 25. So fraction of a collection is solved in this way. Now third question. Find the part of each of the following numbers equal to the given fraction. So here for every number a different fraction is given. In first two questions same fraction for all the collections. Here different fraction for different numbers. But remember one thing, of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. First one, 2 upon 3 of 30 means 2 upon 3 into 30. Now here what we used to do, directly here 1 is there everywhere. So directly we used to multiply with 1. So we get the same number. Any number into 1 is same number. But here 1 is not there. Different number is there. So we will write down separately. 2 into 30 upon 3. Now first we will do this division because this is very easy. 3 divided by 30 is 10 and 2 into as it is. So 2 into this answer and this answer is 10. So 2 into 10. What it is? 20. Understood? If 1 is there, then you do multiplication first and then do division. But if another number is there, then you do division first. Division of these two because that will be easier. Now same way, 7 upon 11 into 22. Of 22 means multiply by 22. Means 7 into 22 upon 11. यहाँ पे भी हम वही करते थे, 25 into 1 upon 5. पर 25 into 1 का आंसर 25 ही आता था. पर यहाँ 7 इंटू 22 करेंगे तो बहुत बड़ा आंसर आएगा। तो सबसे पहले हम इसको थोड़ा छोटा करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल डू डिवीजन। 22 डिवाइडेड बाय 11, 11 वन ज़ा 11, टू ज़ा 22, सो 7 multiply by this division answer which is 2. So 7 into 2 is 14. 7 into 2 22 करना इजी है या 7 into 2 सॉल्व करना इजी है? ऑफ कोर्स 7 into 2 इज इजी। 7 into 22 करो, फिर उसको 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो वो ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है। तो ये दो नंबर क्लियरली दिख रहे हैं हमको। 11 टू ज़ा 22 होता है। सो डिवीजन आंसर इज 2 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. नाउ 3/8 of 64 means into 64 means 3 into 64 upon 8. So which one is easier? First division, 64 divided by 8. 8 के टेबल में 64 कहाँ आता है? सो 8 8 ज़ा 64, तो ये 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस आंसर एंड दिस आंसर इज 8. So 3 into 8 and 3 into 8 is 24. Now the last one. 5/13 of 65 means 5/13 into 65 means 5 into 65 divided by 13. So this division, 13 1 ज़ा 13, 13 5 ज़ा 65. So this 5 into 5, answer is 25. So in this way you can solve problem set 23 in your notebook. Now the last topic of this lesson is mixed fractions. This problem set 23 you have to solve in notebook. And two solved examples are given. This you can try yourself by reading it once. Now last topic of the lesson, which is mixed fractions. Now mixed fraction means what? Suppose in your daily life example, we will take one example that you are having your lunch or a dinner. You ate one chapati and after that you ate half chapati. So total how much chapati you ate? 1 and half, means 1 whole and 1 part of the whole. एक पूरा खाया और एक आधा खाया, means fraction खाया. So when whole number and fraction they come together, then that is called as mixed numbers or mixed fraction. See here, this is half colored part, this is half and this is half. Okay, so we have to find the total colored part. Total means what? Addition. Half plus half plus half. So this is actually 3/2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3/2. या फिर इसको लिखने का एक और तरीका है. हाफ और हाफ मतलब कितना हो गया? 1. आधा और आधा कितना होता है? 1 कंप्लीट. और ये आधा मीन्स 1 प्लस हाफ. सो 1 प्लस हाफ मीन्स होल नंबर प्लस फ्रैक्शन. इट इज़ रिटन एज 1 और उसके बाजू में हाफ. सो इट इज़ रेड एज 1 and 1/2. And means what? Addition. And means addition. तो एक पूरा और दूसरा वाला कुछ तो भी फ्रैक्शन रहेगा. तो जब ऐसा होता है पूरा और फ्रैक्शन, होल नंबर एंड फ्रैक्शन, then such a number is called as mixed number or mixed fraction. So in the fraction 1 and 1/2, 1 is the integer part and half is the fraction part. Hence, such fractions are called mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Some examples they have given to you now. 2 एंड 1/4 मीन्स 2 पूरे और उसके आगे 1/4. हाउ यू विल रीड दिस? 3 and 2/5, 7 and 4/9. These are all are mixed fractions. And fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. So improper fractions means what? जहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है और डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होता है, ऐसे फ्रैक्शंस को बोलते हैं इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. अब इन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का यहाँ पे क्या काम है? लेट्स सी. सपोज 3/2. We will take one example, 3/2. This is an improper fraction, yes or no? Yes, because numerator is big and denominator is small. ऐसे फ्रैक्शन को बोलते हैं improper fraction. We can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. अभी हमने देखा 3/2 मतलब होता है 1.5, 1 and 1/2. पर ये कैसे होता है मैथमेटिकली? दैट वी विल सी. सी हियर 3/2. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 2 + 1/2. अब दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, मतलब ये डिनोमिनेटर इन दोनों का है, तो उसको सेपरेट करके लिख दिया 2/2 + 1/2. आप उल्टा सोचिए, अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन दिया है तो आप ऐसा करते हैं और फिर ये आंसर आता है. ऐसा हमने बहुत बार किया है प्रॉब्लम सेट 2019 में. तो अब उल्टा जा रहे हैं हम. ये दिया है तो इसको ब्रेक किया 2 + 1. ये ब्रेक भी कैसे करना है कि पहला वाला नंबर जो है वो 2 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए और फिर इसको सेपरेट कर दिया 2/2 + 1/2. But we have studied same number upon same number is 1. So this answer is 1 and plus 1/2 as it is. And plus means what? 1 and 1/2. जब होल नंबर और फ्रैक्शन में प्लस साइन रहता है उसी को बोलते हैं मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. तो हम किसी भी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल दीज एग्जाम्पल्स वी विल स्टडी इन द डिटेल इन आवर 6th standard. दिस इज जस्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन that what are improper fractions and what are mixed number. So mixed number means one whole number and one fraction, and improper fraction means numerator big, denominator small. अगर ऐसा है तो means if numerator is small and denominator is big, then this is called proper fraction. और अगर ऊपर बड़ा और नीचे छोटा है तो उसको बोलते हैं improper fraction. So just solve problem set 23 in your notebook, and here we complete our lesson number 5, fractions. Okay, in the next lecture we will begin with the new chapter. Thank you.